how to fix your Twitter profile update failed. If you're trying to update your profile picture or your bio or anything on Twitter, but it's failing to do so, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, so first of all, open the settings and scroll down to find your app settings. And then scroll all the way down till you find Twitter or X. Once you find it, just tap on it. And you have to make sure that all of these permissions are turned on, because the app might malfunction because the app doesn't have the required permissions. So make sure to turn on all of these permissions. Once you do that, the problem should be fixed. But if it still doesn't fix, what you can do is you can tap on the storage and clear all of the cache. And you can also clear all of the data as well. Doing this will clear all of the data, and you will have to re-log into your account because the login info will be deleted. Doing this can be helpful because it's like uninstalling and reinstalling the app, and it is a very effective solution to the issue. In most cases, this should fix the problem, but if it still doesn't fix it, you can always contact the Twitter support team regarding your problem. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.